Greetings, Benjamin J. from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, playing with the rail Panzer tonight, and was trying to figure out some way to actually couple it to a consist. Now, because it has movable bumpers, you can't really put a coupler on either one of them. However, you can mount a magnet on the bumpers. So in any case, I used 1 drop of epoxy, and I epoxied that magnet, it's a cup magnet, directly to the center of that bumper, and now you have an instant coupler on the rail Panzer. As you see, that's pulling 6 cars. That's a powerful magnet. So as you see, this actually works really well. Now this was not designed to pull a consist, and yet it actually pulls it quite well. That's about 50% power, pulling 6 tin litho cars with a lighted caboose. So it wasn't designed for this, but it works, and that magnet will allow it to couple to any tab and slot coupler, which makes it really, really simple. I've got a bunch of transition cars, so in any case, it worked. So a cup magnet, as you see, and trust me, that thing is stuck, and that is a powerful magnet. You have to pry that off of there. Actually, you have to physically lift it off, just like you were taking it out of a coupler. And as you see, it just grabs it. It just reaches across space and grabs hold of it, as you see. And it works. So, in any case, just an experiment that worked. Just wanted to do a quick video on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, benstrains@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.